Glorilla. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to shop the ass. These niggas love freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, the fuck? Turned up with my niggas. Turned up bitches. Turned up in my shows. Yeah, cuz I'm geeky. 60,000 fans came to see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. Turned up with my niggas. Turned up with my bitches. Turned up in my shows. Yeah, cuz I'm right here with me. Off a fifth of hen, getting fucked up, walked up with. Got a backwood full of sock and a bankroll full of beans. All that Twitter typing, bitches see me and ain't do nothing. Pop top with some bikers.